So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix NFC not supported in your Samsung Galaxy A16. So guys, your 16, if your NFC is not supported in your Samsung, so guys, first of all make sure that your NFC setting is turned on or not. So this setting is in your connection settings. So first of all you go to your settings. In the settings section guys, you simply click on the option of connected devices, connections. After that, here you see the option of NFC and the contactless payment, so make sure it is turned on. After turning on this, then you try to make payment. If it is fail, then guys you update your phone. So make sure your phone is up to dated. So just go to the settings and go to the update software and download and install this one. Okay, then guys you try to reset your network setting and the connection settings. So for resetting the network settings and connection setting, first of all you go to your settings. In the settings section guys, go to the option of this general management. So simply click on the general management. After that simply move downward and here you see the option of reset. In the reset section guys, here you simply check reset mobile network setting. Please not reset any other settings. Okay, please reset only the mobile network and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Okay, after just click here and tap on the option of reset, then reset network setting, reset, then also try to reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. After resetting, again check that your application is working or not. If it is not, then guys make sure that your application supported the NFC payment or not, because some of the applications are not supported the NFC payment. So make sure you check it by using the Google. Okay, otherwise you try to do clear caches. For clearing caches, simply go and select your application like Samsung Shop, just long press on it and go to the info button, and in the info button guys, here you simply go and here you go to the option of storage. Okay, after that here you see the clear caches, so just clear and caches. Okay, still having the issue, so guys you try to disable your power mode. So guys, if you turn on the battery saver mode and the power mode, so please try to turn it off. Okay, because sometimes these features turn off the NFC. So make sure they are turned off. For this you simply, here is your power saving mode, just long press it and turn off. Okay, here you see in the power saving mode what things is happen. Turn off it's your 5G, decrease your brightness by 10% and its CPU limit by the 70%. Okay, so these are the things you can try to do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.